percussion instruments and their sounds. Adults, click the link below to download our classroom percussion photo cards to use with your class or child. Triangle. Triangle. A triangle is a percussion instrument. We hit it to make a ting sound. Maracas. Maracas. Maracas are percussion instruments. We shake them to make a sound. Drum. Drum. A drum is a percussion instrument. We hit it to make a boom sound. Glockenspiel. Glockenspiel. A glockenspiel is a percussion instrument. It makes a bright ding sound. Tambourine. Tambourine. A tambourine is a percussion instrument. We shake and hit it to make a sound. Claves. Claves. Claves are percussion instruments. We hit them together to make a clack sound. Cymbals. Cymbals. Cymbals are percussion instruments. We tap them to make a loud sound. Bells. Bells. Bells are percussion instruments. We shake them to make a ding sound. Castanets. Castanets. Castanets are percussion instruments. We click them to make a sound. Guiro. Guiro. A guiro is a percussion instrument. We scrape it to make a sound. Great job, everyone! Now you know your percussion instruments. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.